1,000 tournaments played, having won 10 of those 11 finals.
That he's pleased that for the first time in a couple of years he's been able to practice 6 weeks without feeling any pain.
By Alexsen. Another one goes long.
Yeah, drift than we are normally seeing. One of the problems for Ginting when he's playing against Alexsen, lost the last 11 encounters. One of the problems is that Ginting's attack normally is really, really strong, but Alexsen's got such a big reach, lesser reach of Ginting.
Oh, that's well judged, because he... Lovely block.
And he can't expect to kill it the first time. The first time is basically, in my opinion, or should be
a build-up shot.
A build-up shot, deception, so that Alexsen is... That's well left. So that Alexsen is not knowing when the attack is coming on the first try, the second try, or the third.
Game, though, but...
Yeah, but when they switch ends, then it becomes a little bit more difficult for Alexsen to play the backcourt. So that's going to be really interesting.
Yes, exactly. Wide by...
But I actually did.
You expected it this one-sided?
Yes. In this game, yeah, I did.
Finishing the match at the far side of the court. Service error from Alexsen. Finishing the far side of the court.
Women's singles and men's singles. And Big Zhao still managed to fight back. And
5.
Game point opportunities.
20.
Nice.
Just the last 11 encounters. That would be...
I think it was only 8.
Oh,
like and subscribe channel.
But anyway, I would be looking to...
Brilliant. What can Anthony Ginting do in response?
They were sort of not really certain of how much drift there was, and I'm not sure they think there's that much drift. They reckon that he's playing with the drift here, but they're not sure it's so much.
So drastic.
No.
Missed it. Oh.
How that would materialize, but I think they're trying to play shorter lifts. That's not so offensive again, but trying to get on the attack. But we're going to see a different Ginting here compared to the first game, no doubt about it.
Yeah.
He's just too big of an attacking force, so you have to realize that I'm not going to lift. I can put pressure on the backcourt, but I can't lift. I might as well take my chance on playing back at the net. Boy, that's a good shot.
That is superb. And again.
And in.
Nice.
And the lift becomes a little... fantastic play.
That is great. Missed it.
Yeah. That's a good kill. Alexsen running the long distance.
This has got to be the longest rally of the match so far. Lovely. Yeah. The forehand cross.
Good reception. Excellent.
Service over 6.
You see the lovely backhand return. Ginting is one of those players who can put good deceptions on with his forehand.
Wow. Well on 5 points to Alexsen.
That's well played.
Brilliant. 2 chances today with their top 2 players. Oh, that's delightful.
Like and subscribe channel.
Play in the early stages, or in the first half of this second game, to Ginting's forehand, and suddenly there was a lot of If I were Alexsen, I would play a lot more to that long forehand, because I mean, Ginting hasn't been able to get out of trouble on the front court.
Oh, brilliant. He has
Landed in again.
yeah, misjudgment. Brilliant.
But it's
Oh, good follow-up. Oh, my goodness me. That is what you call precision in it. Oh, he's missed it. Oh,
look how
just wait.
close Alexsen
Yeah.
was to the net.
That's a good lift. Just long.
Front court, it's not so important what he does from the back court, as long as he doesn't outplay himself or make mistakes.
Yeah, nice net shot. Oh, that's going wide.
Yes. It's a good shot.
Oh, that's great. Lucky net caught for Ginting. And
Good shot. Well played. Good patient corner.
first game point opportunity. Behind the back! 1 game.
Didn't hear anything about it during the coaching. We're going to see a Ginting with a totally different.
Oh, indecision. That's going out, surely. Yeah. So tactically he's wrong.
The overall thing that's important for him is to stay in balance, so he won't have to lift out of position.
Indonesian final that year. It's possible with the two Indonesian quarter-finalists, opposite ends of the draw. Missed it.
Advice to the players: we can't stop play because there's someone using flash. Could you give a spectator sort of like
brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
much better?
Nice block.
Missed it.
Oh.
That's the way to play.
Off and again. Flick serve is long. That's his second service error. Oh, the smash wasn't near enough the line from Alexsen. What a rally. Oh, it's just wide. Yeah, that's right. Nice.
Shot.
Gandhi's brilliant.
That's much more efficient than.
Pushed it long. Oh, it's landed in. He could have played that. That is a pure misjudgment. So 3 points the advantage here in this third and deciding game in favour of Viktor Alexsen. Nice. The coaching there, Steen. Brilliant.
I'm not sure because I didn't hear all of it. That's well done.
Oh, challenge. The first challenge from Alexsen.
Good play.
Oh, that was a nervous Ginting into the lead. That's gone wide.
That's well left. That's the first time he's
Since the change of ends.
That's the long. That's the flat pushes.
Yeah. That's 10 points to Ginting. Of the last 11.
Putting on Alexsen.
Finally.
What he's going to, what he's about to accomplish. Clever.
Oh, it's landed in.
Nervous emotions, they're a little bit unpleasant, and to be able to stay in it and still play the rallies according to your game plan, that's what you need to do, but it's so difficult.
Oh, that was loose.
Yeah, it was.
Missed it. I definitely think it's nerves.
Gone.
5 straight points. And just 1 point the deficit. Missed it. So important. It's a huge
He's
point.
tired, Ginting. Alexsen's also tired, but he's got bigger reach. That's a fantastic shot.
2 match points.
If I were Ginting, I would move.
Good nice shot. That's a great lift too. Brilliant! First Indonesian since Taufik Hidayat